Hello friends, I hope you have watched the first video, Why Financial Parenting, because in this video I'll be talking about how to do financial parenting. And this is interesting. I request that this why when answered, the how would be something you would like to learn. So again, we know that no school teaches money, so money management skills needs to be taught and learnt as a skill. So just I will have a recap why financial parenting is so important, because data shows, as a quoted text by the School Matters and the Money Matters team, that 97%, which is of the young adults I'm talking, that they want to do job after graduation, and doing job is also a poor mindset for a lifelong if not worked with other avenues. So, and 79% of them don't know their self-worth. 57% of the first time job takers, they don't know where to spend the money, and by 20th they are cashless. And more than 30% people don't know savings and investments, and more than 15% of people maximize the credit card use and are not able to clear the dues. So now we will see how we can transform this area. So how we can transform this area, that 9 to 12 years we can teach the children earning, the sources of income, the active and passive income, assets, liabilities, pocket money, salary details, how money is generated, rent income, etc. In savings, we can teach these children 9 to 12 years some piggy bank savings, family savings, group savings, individual savings, something about the bank. And also we can teach investing. So investing, like just the basics about banking, insurance, loan. We can teach them about spending, like what is need versus desire. What are the impacts of ads, medias, MRPs, discounts, offers on us, and what are the systems of money, like the barter system, then the banking, credit card, debit card, and what is poor class, rich class, middle class. So this will help the children know better how to do things in a better way and managed way, because more than earning, the management is important. Now 12 to 19 years we can teach the children the sources of money in detail, the asset, the liabilities, active and passive income, the pocket money, salary details, rent income, job versus the difference in the business, taxation, sources of individual, family income, assets. Then again the piggy bank saving can be here in more detailed way, having 4 piggy banks. We will see it later, what we can use the piggy bank for inculcating in different money integrity areas, the family savings, bank deposits, calculations of the financial planning, short term, long term, pension, and insurance. 13 plus is ideally recommended for teaching investing, the share market, the crypto. We can teach a lot. The introduction can happen at this age. And banking, insurance, loans, shares, mutual funds, SIPs, gold, government bonds, what is copyright, patent, properties, what are the money earning other revenues. Then the spending, need versus desire, as we had seen in the earlier section, the ad, media, MRP, discounts, offers. We can teach them budgeting, which is very important, and the financial journaling, fixed expenses, the variant expenses, the ad, discounts, MRPs, the system banking ones, the barter. We can have storytelling with credit card, debit cards, telling again about the e-commerce, the different classes of, like the financial community, the rich, poor, middle class. Inflation, we can talk about this money system. This is again a structure which is available with me. And you can also do these engaging activities as I do, like with stories, role play, games, quiz, case studies, all budgeting together with discussion, journaling the document, donations, doing tithings, having demonstrations like the daily diary maintenance, the general knowledge questions, prices and stuff, working on the decision making. Most of us, please, 90% of the people deal decision making, as in money aspects. Life cases we do as a case studies, and the practical doing helps the children learn money practically, interestingly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do like and share. Thank you.